Alright, this is a Nano Leaf unboxing by Smarter by Design. So let's open this box and check out what's inside of this starter kit. Alright, we got here a manual about the warning and caution. These are the actual tiles now, so I wonder how it's like pressure, touch. This is cool. So there's 1, you got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so what else is in the box? Here's an empty box. You have the power cord, a sticker. These are your command strips. This is the thing that you put on the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the linker. Oh, the linker. There we go. Got 1 linker. And that's pretty much what's inside of the box.